Children after a certain age ask for different varieties of foods and different spice levels and different tastes of food, as they are very bored of their supernatural, super bland food which they have been having since 2 to 3 years. Today I'm going to share one of such recipes which my son asks on a regular basis and loves it. That is aloo paratha. Hello everybody, welcome to Baby and Hugs, a one-stop guide for parents. Children older than 2 years and more usually require carbohydrates because 50% of their energy or fuel comes from carbohydrates, especially complex carbohydrates. And one of the best sources of complex carbohydrates is potatoes or aloo. Potatoes usually helps in giving them the most fuel or the energy they require for all those activities which they have been doing, and also it gives them lots of fibers for good digestion, avoiding constipation, and lots of vitamins and minerals.
So let's get into the recipe. For preparing 2 medium-sized aloo paratha, we need 1 big sized of potato which I have taken and washed it thoroughly and cut into small pieces, and I've left it to pressure cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. After it is cooled down, we can take it out and peel off all the skin of the potatoes thoroughly and see to that it is cooked at least to a semi-solid state so that it is smashable, and make sure you have washed it correctly so that there is no dirt or mud left in it, because it could lead to infections or digestion issues. This is a huge task, I know, but it's worth it, so you have to give it a try. Around medium pieces of around 5 to 6 pieces will be more than enough for preparing 2 medium-sized parathas, which will fill a 2 to 3-year-old stomach. Here you go. The next step is to add all the extra ingredients. This is all optional, and I add half of all small medium onion and a bit of few strands of coriander leaves, a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch or 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder as per your taste. This can be increased or decreased. A pinch or 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder, and salt as per taste. Salt can be avoided in case of babies below 1 year of age. Otherwise, it can be added according to taste. Now smash it thoroughly and mix it well using your hands, because that is the ideal method. Mix it thoroughly so that all the liquid and the dry and wet ingredients come together, and it mixes well to give that taste and increase the richness of aloo paratha. Once it can, if there are still lumps present, you can use a smasher also to ensure that there are no lumps, because when children usually cannot digest or bite into hard substances. Next is to preheat a tawa for 2 minutes. Take a small ball-sized dough, dip it in the dry flour and start rolling it in size of puris. Medium size should be enough. Next, big lemon-sized aloo masala can be taken, kept in between. It should not be too liquidy. Now closing it or stuffing it is very important. First, sealing from the middle, ensuring it is sealed from all the sides one by one. Press it thoroughly and tighten it thoroughly, and if you find there is an extra flour which is there, you can take it out and then tighten it well and seal it well. Now again dip it in the dry flour and roll it out with light hand so that there is no this stuffing should be rolled out with medium or light hands. Not too much of pressure should be given, just moving the roller or the pin roll should be enough. Roll it equally from all the sides so that it is thin enough for it to become soft and crispy. If you give it too much of pressure, there are chances the stuffing might come out. And see to that the dough is slightly harder in size, not very soft. Otherwise it will lead to coming out of the stuffing. After this is done, we put it into the hot tawa, which is already preheated, and allow it to cook uniformly. Let it cook for around 20 to 30 minutes on first side, and then flip it over. I make sure I put, you can use either oil or ghee, but I make sure to use ghee excessively in my child's diet because it is full of good cholesterol. Half a teaspoon on each side should be enough. Approximately 2 spoons per day is a good healthy choice for the babies for good digestion and healthy weight gain. Cook it uniformly on medium flame, not too high flame because it could just burn out the outer layer and not cook the inner layer. Benefits of ghee cannot be explained well. This would take around 5 to 6 minutes to cook it thoroughly by pressing on each side so that we get a soft and crispy aloo parathas. Now that seems like it is cooked. It took around 6 minutes to cook this. It's all done and ready. And then flip it over into a plate. Here you go, the aloo paratha is ready. You can serve it just like that or apply butter and give it with curd. My son likes it as it is because the spice level and the ghee is already there, but sometimes he prefers having it with curd. There you go, he's enjoying it.
Hope you like this super delicious recipe. My son has enjoyed it and emptied the total plate. This can be customized according to your children's age and spice level. If you can start giving potatoes as early as 6 months also, but without adding salt or any spices. Just plain potato puree can be started, and as they grow older, you can increase all the level of spice and salt and salt levels and all that can be added. If you like my content and would like to see more such recipe videos, do comment below what recipes you want to see for your babies, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.